Sus, ako kadali, wala pagitaw. Picture na ko sila.
Talaga to siya.
Ay, kaya na.
Mahal.
Diba? Di man kaayo. Pictures mo doon. Ayaw na, ayaw na. Huwag may bayad.
Mahal kayo. Dami ng photographer na yan.
Yes, I do.
Okay, ikaw. Okay, since you have declared your intentions, please pronounce your vows to each other.
Let's go.
Promise you to be loved every day, trust you every day, faithfulness and honesty. I love you.
Anything naman, you have to promise me.
I promise you to be a loyal wife. I respect all your decisions, all your...
Sige, anything.
I respect you, and I will be faithful to you lifetime.
I promise.
In sickness
In sickness
and in health,
and in health,
until death,
until death
do us part.
do us part.
Okay, by virtue of the authority vested in me of your parents, your witnesses, declare you legally married. Okay? May you ever live in mutual love and unbroken loyalty, ever conscious of your love and responsibility for each other. Okay, mga lalaki, take note your promise na you will always be beside her and that you will be a good wife and a perfect wife to him. Your promise, sige, mga lalaki naman. Say the name of your wife.
April.
Tasha.
Carmela.
Tasha.
I
Wear
promise.
this ring
History.
as a sign
As a sign
of my love,
of my love,
commitment,
commitment,
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
Sige. Put on the ring.
Put on the ring.
Mga babae.
Ay, tuway, migo. Ay, tuway.
Wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love,
of my love,
commitment,
commitment,
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
Okay, get
Right?
Alas, put it on top of her.
April.
Carmela.
Sheila.
I give you
I give you
this array
this array
as a pledge
as a pledge
of my dedication
of my dedication
to your welfare.
to your welfare.
Okay, mga babae naman. With gratitude,
Gratitude.
I accept them. I also pledge
I also pledge
myself to you
myself to you
and to our
and to our
children's
children,
well-being
well-being,
and security.
and security.
Okay, kayong up, kayong ano. Receiving.
And receiving.
May the love.
May the love
in our home.
in our home
Become
become
not merely ideal
not merely ideal,
nor sentimental,
nor sentimental,
but the shared
but a shared
opportunity
opportunity
of all material blessings
of all material
that
blessings
are true,
that are true,
good,
good,
and lovely.
I love you.
Okay, so as an acceptance to the newlyweds, let us give Justine and April May Villanueva Rice a big round of applause. Ayan.
Oh!
Talaga naman.
Dana ang ilang kasa 3. Thank you. Ay, nag-CR lagi sila. Aman sila? Nag-CR pa? Tapos ng kasal sa Huwes, baktas kami patungo sa car park. Asa din nakaparada? Ay, diha? Ay, sorry. Ha? Ay, lamay. Hindi mo na nilarangan. Hindi mo lagi. Asa man di ay? Di ay, dati man. Na-traffic sila. Oo. Wait lang. Oh, level 3 car park, guys. Grabing puno-puno. Na-traffic na kayo. Tapos na kayo. We park at the level 3, SM Davao.
Ito yung model namin, nasa level 3.
Okay. Ito. Second floor, SM. Entrance. Second floor man na. Muna ang pata? Sa baba lang ka, Kuya Jay? Mangutan na sa... Ang ganda. Kita. Andali lang. Gibidyo na ako, gibidyo. Sandali, akong picture, andali. Wala na, tapos na tayo na food.
Content creator is life. Hindi kinong anak, mapusip ka.
Kanyang ubitin niya dati. Hidok na ba? Anak kayo ubitin.
Ganda ng ni baby Ang tawag din tablet. Ganda ng tablet mo baby Dinaig mo pa ako. Buti pa yung baby. Ibang iba talaga mga baby ngayon.
Pero, naging anak niya. Kailan nila.
Ganda ng mga bata ngayon. High-tech na.
High-tech na.
Ang bata, okay.
Thank you, Lord, sa food. Hoy, halika na mo! May falls diri, guys! sila Lita? Alas 8 ang flight.
Airplane?
Oh, pasibo, pasibo.
Sa Cebu, ano ka?
Cebu to, ano naman ko?
Baskon. Bus.
Oh, sa bus.
Bus?
Taxi to, ano, bus. Oo. Dagan pa yan. Magdamag biyahe ko karon, magdamag.
Layo, di na lang.
Layo, eh. Oh, dami. Picture na naman. Grabe. Ayoko na ma-make chores. We're going home na, guys.